This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Acura MDX. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, a DVD player, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: dual power seats, air conditioning, a power rear lift tailgate, leather seats, performance tires, a rear spoiler, cargo tie-downs, an anti-lock braking system, cruise control, and this vehicle has less than 16,000 miles. This Acura has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Raleigh Acura is located at 1750 Northern Boulevard in Roslyn. As the 7-time recipient of the Precision Team Award, our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.